Apple is secretly building a brand new desktop machine, and it is set to change the computer industry forever. But the wild part of this story is something you will never actually see with your own eyes. We're not talking about a flashy new operating system or a glowing logo on the case. We're talking about a total teardown of the physical hardware hiding inside a heavy metal shell. Apple essentially had to gut the whole interior just to keep your desk from turning into a bonfire. Insane leaks are flying around right now. Once you see what Apple is cramming inside this silver box, those sudden out-of-stock notices on their website start to make complete sense. First, let's get the bad news out of the way. A lot of people were praying for a stealthy matte black redesign this year. You can cross that dream off your list right now. That giant aluminum block next to your monitor is going to look identical. It keeps the exact same size and footprint on your desk. You get the standard SD card slots right on the front. On the back, you'll find the exact same cheese grater air holes. Apple does not care about changing the outer skin this time. All the real magic is happening deep inside the chassis. So what is actually changing under the hood? Apple is throwing their entire old cooling design into the trash. They looked at that massive block of cooling metal, tossed it aside, and started completely over. You might wonder why they would even bother. The current Mac Studio is already fast and extremely quiet. Well, that is because the upcoming M5 Ultra chip is a thermal monster. If Apple tried using the old fan setup on this new processor, the system would overheat almost instantly. They had to rip out the old airflow design and build massive new lungs so this machine can actually breathe. Why is this new processor generating so much heat in the first place? Let's keep the technical jargon to a minimum so we do not all zone out. In the past, Apple took two of their fast chips, glued them together with a high-speed connector, and called it a day. But they are completely abandoning that lazy shortcut now. Instead, they are moving to a brand new fusion architecture. Think of it like building with separate blocks. Instead of squeezing the entire brain onto one single slab of silicon, they are breaking the graphics units and processing cores into distinct modules. This allows Apple to push high voltage directly to the exact modules that need it most. The result is a system that runs violently fast. However, moving that much electrical power creates intense pockets of heat. The older fan system had zero chance of cooling down those specific hotspots. Apple actually had no choice but to rush this thermal overhaul. Things were getting pretty awkward for their top-tier Mac division. Right now, a lightweight MacBook Pro running an M4 Max chip can actually beat the giant M3 Ultra Max Studio in raw processing speed. Think about how wild that is for a second. A portable laptop running on a battery is beating a massive desktop that lives plugged into the wall. The only reason creative professionals still buy the big silver box today is for extreme graphics power and heavy render workloads. That exact performance gap is why Apple is forced to push their desktop hardware to a terrifying new level .36 core CPU, 12 supercores plus 24 performance cores, up to 80 core GPU. Apple ka most powerful Apple silicon GPU. But these core neural engine, heavy AI workloads or on-device AI के लिए 1.2 terabytes per second memory bandwidth. Massive datasets or professional workloads के लिए up to 512 gigabytes unified memory. Huge AI models KO locally run current key capability. Ultra Fusion Architecture M5 Ultra 2 M5 Max chips को combine करके बनाया गया है. Hardware accelerated ray tracing, gaming or 3D rendering के लिए 8K video workflows, uncompressed 8K footage color grade करने जैसी demanding tasks के लिए designed है. Advanced AI. Apple Mutabik Frontier Class AI models KO Cloud Coupe Baghair device par run car sakta high. Mac Studio में available. M5 Ultra configuration $5,499 से start होती है. 96 GB यूनिफाइड मेमोरी और 1 TB SSD के साथ. Wi-Fi 7 प्लस Bluetooth 6 भी न्यू Mac Studio लाइनअप का पार्ट है. YouTube शॉर्ट के लिए सबसे पावरफुल पॉइंट्स. अगर आप M5 Ultra शॉर्ट बना रहे हो, तो ये 5 पॉइंट्स सबसे ज्यादा अटेंशन ग्रैबिंग है. 36-core CPU plus 80-core GPU plus 512 gigabytes RAM plus 1.2 terabytes per second memory bandwidth plus massive AI performance. Apple खुद M5 Ultra को आप ना most powerful chip position कर रहा है। अगर आप M5 Ultra Max Studio की वीडियो के लिए storage plus leaks और features plus latest update plus specifications cover करना चाहते हो, तो अब एक important correction है। M5 Ultra Max Studio 25 अगस्त 2026 को officially announce हो चुका है, इसलिए स्क्रिप्ट में leak के बजाय officially revealed बटा new update wording ज्यादा accurate होगी। M5 Ultra Max Studio key specs: M5 Ultra chip, up to 36-core CPU, up to 80-core GPU, 32-core neural engine, up to 512 gigabytes unified memory, 512 gigabytes to 16 terabytes SSD storage, up to 1.2 terabytes per second memory bandwidth, up to 4x faster AI compute with neural accelerators, Thunderbolt 5 up to 120 gigabits per second, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, 10 gigabits Ethernet, hardware accelerated ray tracing, designed for extremely demanding AI, 3D rendering, video editing, and 8K workflows. Storage, especially important. M5 Ultra Max Studio 1 TB SSD से start होता है in the high-end configuration, और storage up to 16 TB configure की जा सकती है. Price and availability. M5 Ultra Max Studio का starting configuration $5,499 high, with 96 gigabytes unified memory and 1 terabyte SSD. Apple NE August 25th, 2026 KO pre-orders open Kai, with availability beginning September 22nd, 2026. Aapki video ka strongest hook. Apple just dropped the M5 Ultra Max Studio, and this tiny desktop can pack up to 512 gigabytes of unified memory and 16 terabytes of storage, while delivering up to an 80-core GPU and massive AI performance. Physical guts hiding inside that heavy metal box. They essentially had to gut the whole thing just so it does not turn your home office into a literal bonfire. The rumors are flying everywhere today, and once you understand what Apple is cramming into this little silver square, all those random out-of-stock notices on their website suddenly make music perfect sense. But, hey, let us rip the Band-Aid off first, because I know half of you are praying for a stealthy matte black redesign. Yeah, you can go ahead and delete that dream from your brain right now. That giant heavy aluminum block sitting next to your monitor is going to look exactly the same. It has the exact same giant footprint on your desk. Music, those same handy SD card slots staring at you on the front. And yes, the infamous cheese grater holes right there on the back. Apple does not care about playing dress up this time, because the actual witchcraft is happening deep inside the case. Music, so what is actually going on under the hood? Well, Apple is literally taking their entire cooling setup and throwing it in the garbage. They looked at that massive chunk, music, of cooling metal and just tossed it away to start completely over. Now, you might be thinking, why even bother? The Mac Studio we have right now is dead silent. Music, right? Well, that is because the upcoming M5 Ultra chip is an absolute thermal nightmare. If Apple tried to use the old fans on this thing, they would literally melt down and quit. They had to rip out the old airflow system and build massive new lungs just so this monster can breathe. But why is this new processor sweating so much? I will keep the nerd talk to a strict minimum, so we do not all zone out here. Usually, Apple just takes two of their really fast chips, music, glues them together, and calls it a finished product. But they're completely abandoning that lazy shortcut this time. They're moving to something called fusion architecture. Instead of stuffing the whole brain into one solid chunk, they're slicing the graphics and processing power into separate little Lego blocks. This allows them to shoot raw electricity exactly where it is needed the most, making the whole system violently music fast. But shifting that much power around creates massive pockets of heat. The old fans had absolutely zero chance of fighting off that kind of targeted fire. And honestly, Apple had no choice but to panic and fix this because things were getting really embarrassing for their SCOP division. It is wild to even think about, but right now a standard MacBook Pro with an M4 Max chip inside is actually beating the giant M3 Ultra Max Studio in raw processing power.